Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Shanice. If you're new, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing and delicious recipes. And this is just a quick video showing you guys how I made these delicious French toast using Hawaiian rolls. Very delicious and fun to make, and it's a great way to use up your rolls that you have left over, guys. I've posted this recipe on my shorts and TikTok and Instagram, but persons requested a longer version, so this is me giving you guys a longer version. So first things first, you're going to need a pack of King's Hawaiian rolls, and I'm using the original flavor. This recipe will make 5 to 7 rolls. So I'm going to go in with 1 egg. I'm going to whisk that a little bit. After that, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of whole milk, and we're going to whisk that together. I will be using a tablespoon of my buttery cinnamon roll, and I will leave the link down below in the description box if you would like to purchase. Of course, you can substitute regular ground cinnamon for the buttery cinnamon roll seasoning that I used. I went in with a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, which is optional. Nutmeg lifts the flavor. I added a teaspoon of vanilla extract followed by 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Of course, we're gonna mix well to combine, and then we're gonna go in with our rolls. We're gonna ensure that they're all covered with this goodness. To my large skillet over medium-high flame, I added a tablespoon of unsalted butter, and I added my rolls. And I cook on each side. Every single side we're going to ensure gets a brown color. I'd say for around 3 minutes until you get that nice brown color like this. I like my French toast more on the crispier side, so it depends on how you like yours. And that's it, guys. I went in with some maple syrup, of course, and these were just perfect by themselves. No eggs, no bacon, just French toast rolls. And this is something that everyone will enjoy. The hubby, the kids, if you have friends coming over, if you're doing a brunch, this is perfect. This full recipe is also on the website. Just search Hawaiian rolls French toast. And I will leave the link down below to the website where you can find a list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, don't be shy. Thank you guys for watching and supporting as always. Walk good and stay safe. See you guys in the next video.